Hi friends, and welcome to the Feathered Cottage Adventures. I'm Dee. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're one of my old friends, I'm so glad you stopped by for a visit. Today I'm bringing you my Christmas tree. Now, Christmas tree in the camper has become a big challenge. First, I thought I could use my pencil tree that I bought last year, and it was just a little too tall. So that got changed. And then I had another little tree that we had in the camper last year, but it was just, to try to give a little bit of Christmas festivities. But my husband was home for Christmas, for the family Christmas, so I wasn't really worried about it being too Christmassy. Just a little bit last year. Well, now that we're full-time RVers, we're here at Christmas, and so I wanted to make it a little more special. This is our first Christmas together in the camper as full-time RVers. So I ended up, as you see in a video, I'll put a link up there, that I got a tree at Trees and Trends. Well, this tree has been a challenge. I wanted to do ornaments that were not breakable because we do move, and I have to have something that's easy to store now because there's not a lot of room in the camper. And we may be next year someplace that I can't get back to my storage buildings to get items for the tree. So I came up with a bunch of easy to store projects that I made. Other than just a few things, almost everything on the tree is homemade. And they'll store easy just in a small container, and I'll be able to have them for next year, and I'm sure I'll add on to it next year. But for this year, being the first time I've had to try to decorate in the camper, this works. I hope you all enjoy this. I'll show you the tree and the things that I've done to it, and then I'll see you in the end. I started out with a funky bow that I made out of the blue and white ticking, and then out of just kind of a denim looking ribbon and some burlap ribbon. I have my little lights up here, and then I put my berries in, and I made my streamer, let me back up and show you the whole thing. I made the streamers come all the way down the tree, just from the top. There's one of my little rag balls that I made, and this is a beaded garland that I made. I made it 20 feet long, so it wraps all the way around the tree. And there's one of the white rag balls. And then I just have some little icicles hanging, my berries, my beaded garland. I just kept it very simple this year, being here in the RV. There's no point of getting crazy like I used to. Made it very challenging this year because I'm used to doing a whole lot more. But you've got to consider your weight and the size of your tree and all that stuff when you're in a camper. So this works really good for a small space if you all are looking for something for a small space. If you'd like to learn how to make this beaded garland very cheap, I think it cost me $6, $7, something like that. I'd be happy to do a video on it. Leave a comment in the comment box that you'd like to see how to make it, and I'll be happy to show it to you. Well, friends, I hope you enjoyed seeing what I did for my Christmas tree this year here in the RV, and I appreciate you stopping by for a visit. If you are new to the channel, again, welcome. If you haven't joined our family, I would love for you to become a subscriber. And until we meet again, you all have a great and blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.